Hey everyone, Classic Ashley here. I have another first look for you. This one is another Sparkle Pals, and this is an extension from Diamond Art Club's Little Diamonds. And this is the part of the Harry Potter collection, which is legally licensed by Wizarding World. Look at him, doesn't he look scary? So this is, I'm gonna say his name, y'all, but because I have to. But I know you're not supposed to say it. But this is Voldemort! Sorry, I thought I heard the universe crashing for a second. So yeah, this is part of their Little Diamonds. It's an extension of it, Sparkle Pals. Which just means it's a beginner's kit, super quick to do and whatnot. Now, I think that these may or may not be in stores soon. You never know, because they have this little thing that you can hang on little pegs at the store. You never know! But look at this guy. Oh. Okay, well this came unstapled. Usually these are stapled up here. Nothing came out. You can see that the bag is still sealed. Interesting. So you open it up here, and you can see the whole Harry Potter collection. Look at this. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. I love Hagrid. So then you have how it works, instructions for it, what the kit includes. At the very top you have their socials. Same thing on the back, how it works, what's included, yada yada. All right, let's open this guy up here. I hope everyone's having a great day. So Sparkle Pals is relatively new to Diamond Art Club, and they're so cute. They're of course the same Diamond Art Club, high quality, and I love that, because usually these smaller things, you know, they're made out of like cheap stuff, but this is like actual thick, nice wood. I'm gonna zoom out here real quick. Yeah, it's like thick and nice. So of course you can keep this off while you actually, you know, diamond paint to make it easier. It comes with a thin plastic, and now that is glue. You get all of your drills, the toolkit, but once it's done and you seal it, if you want to seal it, it's up to you. You can put it right in this stand here. Look at that. And then you can just display all of your Harry Potter Wizarding World characters. Comment below your favorite Harry Potter character. Mine is Voldemort. Just kidding. But he's neat. I never really understood what happened between Tom Riddle, or like the era from Tom Riddle to Voldemort. Like, think about it. Why is he so ugly? And I talked about this to someone, they're like, because he cheated death or whatever. But I don't know. Like, where did his nose go, y'all? I don't know. Maybe I need to rewatch the movies, because homeboy does not have a nose. Look at this. Look, they put the two little lines for his little nose holes, or lack thereof. So we have colors, and of course these sparkle kits here, or Sparkle Pal kits, do not come with a side key, because, you know, there's numbers on the drills which correspond to the numbers on the wood piece here. Your Sparkle Pal. So super easy. We have this envelope. Thank you for your purchase. And this is going to have more detailed instructions, kit contents. It has a QR code to save 20% off your first app purchase. There's 2 for iPhone and Android. We have a QR code to their Facebook group. Their socials again at the bottom. Kit contents, tips and tricks on the back. Super cute. I like how they're doing these now. Look at this. I need to like get more fancy. Look, that just made me feel so special to put that back together. I like it. Let's take a look at the toolkit. This is their new and improved toolkit, y'all. Oh, if I can get it out of here. All right, so we have the upgraded trays, the smaller version of it. And based on feedback, they are still including the heart wax in case you want to use a different pen. And their well, I don't know what they call it, like the twisty unloady pen here. This is the pen. I love it. Comes with a 4-placer, and then you have I think it's a 6-placer. Is it? 7-placer, excuse me. So how this works is this cap comes off here, and then you twist the pen to feed out putty. But you have to twist it slow and be super patient. I always like twist too much at first. So you'll notice when you start twisting it, it gets slightly harder to twist, and that's when it's about to poop out some putty for you. There we go. So you have to do it slow. There it is. And if you do get too much out, you can just take it off there, because you really don't need a whole lot out at a time. And it goes a long, long way. They also send this extra white putty, so you can unscrew from here, and then this comes out, and you can reload the white putty. Super easy, or you can use a different kind of putty that you like if you want. To each their own, you know? So they leave that open. And then, yeah, when you're done, you can keep the putty that's dispersed clean by putting the cap back on it. Super cute. They also sent us extra baggies, which come in handy for these smaller projects in case you have to get up and do something or you want to re-tackle it the next day. Heart wax, extra putty. And then this is the smaller version of their upgraded trays. It is really nice feeling. It's like super smooth. It has the high walls and then the grooves on the bottom, so you can actually stack the trays up and, you know, they won't slide all over. Super easy. And it comes with the stopper, of course. So yeah, I love their upgraded toolkits, and there's more to come that they're sending with their kits, y'all, so stay tuned. So yeah, that is our Sparkle Pals unboxing for the day. Super cute. So grab your Harry Potter Sparkle Pals at Diamond Art Club. If you've never shopped with Diamond Art Club before, in the description I do have my affiliate link. If you're brand new, never purchased from them, you can get a discount and I get a small kick as well, so check that out. If you're brand new to the channel, hit subscribe, and if you've had fun, hit the thumbs up on your way out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day. Bye everyone.